Routine maintenance is critical for any pump to run at peak performance. While necessary, this service carries production downtime and man-hour costs. Gusher's top pull-out design minimizes costs by reducing overall service time. This upgrade option eliminates the need to disconnect piping to uninstall the entire pump. Just the rotating element is removed, leaving the casing and piping in place. Here's how it works. First, remove the motor. Next, remove the nuts securing the secondary plate to the tank mounting plate. Now, the rotating element can be lifted out. The remaining bolts, tank mounting plate, casing, and piping all remain in place. Once the pump is serviced, it can be quickly reassembled and returned to operation. Keeping spare rotating elements on hand can cut downtime even further, allowing for a quick swap and return to service. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more from other Ruthman Companies divisions. To learn more, visit www.gusher.com.